Good morning, guys. Today is a weird morning, definitely a weird morning. But we're gonna try to make it work. All right. So obviously, as you guys saw, how I started the stream, not the most promising morning. But we are getting something now. I'm gonna explain it now in literally a second. I'm gonna go ahead and start up the live trading over for the premium. But I don't know. Just this open looks really weird, and I don't know. I don't know. So yeah, here, let me go ahead and start the live stream here in the premium, and then I'll further explain the setup and what we're pretty much watching. But I don't know. I don't know. I don't really like whatever happened here. We took out both buy side and sell side, which, like I said, I'll explain now. But yeah, I mean, this looks tough. This looks tough to trade. I'm gonna tell you guys. All right. Anyways, let me start the live stream here. Yo, what's good, guys? Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. All right. So, today is looking like something. It's you're sure fucked up. Don't blame me, bro. Don't blame me. Blame the market. All right. Anyways. On a real note, the market today, at least this open, was really weird. And the reason I'm saying this is not only did we get the most random spike up, which is normal, you know what I mean? That's like the opening candle. But the next one, for some reason, we sold off completely, and now we're pumping back up, which makes no sense, right? Now, this is not an issue, right? It's just maybe the volume, maybe some news came out, whatever. Where the real issue lies is that we took out both buy side and sell side. Right now, I still want to be more bearish. Main reason being is because we took out the internal low, which is not really the biggest deal in the world, but exactly, just like how someone in the chat said, we're kind of trapped, right? And the reason I say that is because with us, okay, the second the market opened, we took out this Asia high, which is fine, right? This will pretty much tell us like, hey, our bias should be bearish going forward, right? And that's true because, I mean, look at how the market sold off. Right now, with the market selling off, usually we look to take shorts to target the liquidity down here, down here, and down here, right? The thing is that the market sold off so much for some reason that we took out liquidity in like one candle, which shouldn't be happening. So I don't know. I don't know. Now the problem with this is that now we're stuck in a position where we don't know what the bias is because we took out both buy side and sell side liquidity, right? So we don't know if the market took out sell side to go back up. We don't know if the market took out buy side to go all the way back down. That's the problem, right? So typically we usually take shorts into these price targets, but the problem is we took out this price target the second the market opened, right? So today, don't expect it to be a quick day at all. Like at all. I mean, I doubt we get anything anytime soon, but we could probably try to work off something, right? If the bias looks clear enough. But we're gonna find out. We're gonna find out for sure. All right, guys. But yeah, let's see. Let's see. By the way, what's up, YouTube? What's up, everyone tuning in? What's good, guys? But yeah, I mean, we're gonna see what we can work with here, right? We still have we still have the London low, but the thing is, we're not as confident in the market going down anymore because we took out this low down here, right? This internal low, which I know is not the strongest, but technically we still took out a level of liquidity where the market can kind of reverse from, right? So it's a little bit, a little bit. You think it's gonna be a PM session? No, I mean the market just opened. We don't know what's gonna do, right? But it's just an idea that we're getting that, you know what I mean? We're kind of in a bad spot. We're not in the best spot. You know what I mean? We're not in the worst spot, but also not the best one. Right now, if you would have held this fair value gap for like a minute longer, yeah, I would have given you guys a trade by now. But I mean, from the looks of it, it's really bad. Now, another thing that I did see is, once again, Trump is speaking on tariffs again. Like, it's every single day, right? Look, I love Trump, but bro, it gets to a point, man. It gets to a point. But yeah, it says here Trump speaks. It doesn't say the time, so we don't know. It's probably gonna be during the PM session. That's usually when it is. But yeah, exactly. Yeah, he's speaking on tariffs. I don't know. Apparently today is gonna be one of the biggest tariff news that he's talking about. So I don't know. All right. He was speaking with. I don't know how that goes, but apparently from the news sources that I use and everything from, I think it's Bloomberg, whatever, they're saying that today is going to be one of the biggest reactions of the tariffs. Apparently, it's like one of the most important ones. So we don't know if the market is going to be going crazy beforehand. We don't know if it's going to be going crazy after. So today is definitely going to be one of those days that you should be careful. Like, if we don't see a setup, I get it. We didn't trade yesterday. It's fine. If we don't see a setup today, it is definitely not the day to be kind of fucking around. All right. So we got to be careful. But in the meantime, without the tariffs happening, you know what I mean? It apparently happens at 1 from what I'm seeing from you guys. Setup wise, I'm not really seeing anything too crazy just yet. So we're gonna see. All right. We are definitely gonna see. But yeah, no, we and ES on the other hand, it's looking horrible as well. The thing is with ES, we did take out this London high. We don't really have any lows here that's really super important. We do have some ones down here. So yeah, my bias going into market open, it's definitely leaning more towards bearish. But the thing is just we don't have anything to really work with here. Now on the 1 minute time frame, we did reject off this fair value gap. So it's not a horrible one. It's just not something I would take for sure. Yeah, definitely not something I would take. I don't care about the 1 minute. That's just way too risky. Now, if anything worse comes to worse, in the next 2 minutes, whatever happens with this candle, if we can manage to break these lows down here, there's like a 50-50 chance that we can possibly get a setup going forward. All right. But we don't know. We don't know. That's the problem. We don't know how the market is moving right now. It looks very indecisive. A lot of volume, but no momentum. All right. So we're going to see. We're going to see. Trump says today is a big one. Whatever that says, tariffs. I don't know what that is, but if he says it's a big one, the market is definitely going to be going crazy. I mean, look at the market right now. You know what I mean? It's choppy, but it has volume. You know? Blast, you have a 5 minute fair value gap? No, we don't. No. I don't see one. Oh, you're talking about this one? Oh, yeah, no, this is not a gap. No. Remember, guys, when you're looking for a gap, you need to make sure that the candle, like 90% of the candle is a body candle. That just shows you that the liquidity in there is active, right? When you're looking for a candle that is mostly made out of a wick, that means that price existed, but not anymore, right? So yeah, exactly. We want a zero wick candle always, all right? So the candle should be looking like this red one, not like this green one, right? So yeah. Anyways, regardless, even if it is a fair value gap candle, we kind of inversed it already, and it didn't even work out. So yeah, you shouldn't even be using it. Yeah, but look, someone said the candle is also more than 100 points, but if you measure the body of the candle, it's only 27. So there's not too much of an imbalance here that still exists. And if it did, we kind of inversed it off this candle right here. So this kind of just more of the story, just ignore this candle. It's not, we're not going to use it. All right. Can we use the one at 8:33? Are you using the 1 minute time frame? Because remember, we use the 5 minutes, so it should be like 8:30, 8:35, 8:40, and so on. Can you do a video on the candlestick theory? What do you mean by candlestick theory? I don't know what that is. Unless you're talking about like the patterns of the candles, which I don't trade. I don't do patterns. Oh, like understanding the candlesticks better. Yeah, I could definitely do one. I mean, the basics is pretty much on YouTube. It's already been done. But if you guys want an explanation from me, sure, I'll do it. I mean, I need ideas for my YouTube either way. So, yeah. Is trading day only? Are you talking about like the Apex trading days? Yeah, it only counts if you're green by $50 or more, bro. Yeah, I like the way you break down stuff. Okay, yeah, sure. I can definitely work on that video in my own time. I would just have to organize because obviously I can't just name everything up from a candle off the top of my head. You know what I mean? I have to like be prepared. Do karaoke for bro. Thanks, man. Appreciate you. The basics is good. Yeah, of course. Wait, let me get my phone. I left it in my bed. Hold up. Okay, I'm back. Anyways, yeah, from the looks of the market, guys, this is not promising. This market does not. It does not look the best. I'm gonna tell you guys this. It doesn't look the best, right? It looks horrible. Yeah, the thing is, we literally had a setup a few minutes ago, like what, like 10, 15 minutes ago. And for some reason, how many watches you got? Two. But anyways, for some reason, this candle ruined. I mean, we had a fair value gap here. If you guys measure out this candle, it's like 100 points, right? Yeah, it's 87 points. We had a beautiful fair value gap, and for some reason, the market just wanted to sell off right after the sweep. Trust me, guys, we would have been in shorts. Like, we would have been in shorts. I can pretty much guarantee you guys that, right? But the reason we're not is because this fair value gap, for some reason, didn't hold up. I don't know why. I really don't know why. So now we're gonna have to play the waiting game. We're gonna have to see if we can even get a reading because, like I said, now the market took out both buy side and sell side liquidity. When I don't know if you guys remember this, but when I usually do my lessons on the strategy, I always tell you guys when you're waiting or looking for a bias, you always need to make sure that only one level of liquidity gets taken out. It can only be the upside or the downside. It can't be and the downside. Because if both buy side and sell side liquidity get taken out, that means that pretty much all of the stop losses, both to the upside and to the downside, they don't exist. And that pretty much what that means is that the big money in the market, they don't really want to make the market go down into any certain level because no certain levels exist. You know what I mean? So that kind of messes up you with your bias, and you can't really get a good reading, pretty much knowing where the market can go. You guys get what I'm saying? So that's why I'm a little bit worried with this morning. Although, like I said, it looked amazing for like a split second. It doesn't look good anymore. Because we took out this London and Asia high, which is amazing, but we also took out this internal, which isn't the most important thing, but it is just enough for us to even reverse back up, right? So it's a little bit, you know what I mean? It's a little bit weird. But I'm not saying we can't get a setup today. I would say as long as price holds below 851 and it shows signs of selling, we could definitely take shorts into 787 and maybe even 753, which is the London low. All right, guys. So that's pretty much what I'm looking for. Okay. So yeah. Does the body have to be 40 points or the whole candle? Make sure that the whole candle has to be 40 plus points. But what I'm trying to say is make sure that when you're looking for a fair value gap or an imbalance, make sure that majority of the candle looks like this. Like it has to be a full body candle. If it's not a full body candle, do not trade it. Like if it looks like this, for example, don't take it. Yeah, pretty much the way Nate said it. Make sure that the candle looks healthy. You know what I mean? Like there's active volume in that candle. What about imbalances? Same thing. It should be 40 plus points. An imbalance makes up a fair value gap. Remember, the gap is when you measure out the 3 candles. An imbalance is the actual candle that's 40 plus points. Dude, I am out of breath. I've been talking a lot this morning. We haven't even been 15 minutes into his live, and I'm already out of breath. Okay, 40 points on the 15-minute 2 or just the 5. The 15-minute also works. Just obviously, the bigger the time frame, the bigger the candle should be. So the 40 points. Do you smoke? Bro, no, I don't. Bro, I haven't stopped talking for like the last 15 minutes. Anyways, so yeah, on the 15-minute time frame, a 40-point fair value gap does work. But obviously, since you're trading a bigger time frame, you should be expecting more. You should be expecting like 50 plus points. You know what I mean? So yeah. Bro, I don't know, but in the meantime, I'll wait, bro. Guys, bro, I'm hella pissed, bro. I literally got, bro. Because man, I'm tired, bro. I'm not really too tired today. Although I went to sleep late. Bro's logic is if you, bro. Did you win, bro? Yes, I did actually, bro. Anyways, bro, my college called me yesterday saying that apparently I owe the school $1,000. But I'm not even in school. Yeah, because apparently if they pay for your classes and you fail them, because I was in the classes, but I didn't even do not one. I didn't even join it. Like the day it started, I just never joined it. So I guess that makes sense. You know what I mean? Like they gave me money to do the class and I didn't even do it, and I kept the money. Yeah, like the I think it's called FAFSA or some shit. And they called me yesterday. They're like, look, you didn't do these classes. We need the money back. I'm like, okay. So, yeah, I'm gonna see if I can talk to the school and kind of like maybe work. MDC, bro, MDC. That's called fraud. You think? Wait, on my end or on their end? I don't know if that money is mine. On your end? Oh, bro. It's not your okay. Yeah, that makes sense. I mean, I was gonna pay it back regardless. I don't really have a choice, but I just didn't know. You know what I mean? Stop being so. I mean, no. I'm not saying anything, but you know, I'm just telling you guys. You guys laugh. No, I'm not really tripping about it. Don't worry. I was just super confused because they called me. I'm like, college is calling me. I'm not even in college right now. Let me see. All right, let me see. Am I Jew? No, I'm not. Thoughts on the charts, bro? Right now, that's why I kind of got out of topic. It's not the best. It's not the best, bro. Jasper, I didn't know. They just sent me the money without me even knowing. You know what I mean? Like, you know. But nah, I don't really care about it. I'll give it back. But I was just super confused. I'm like college. What? Anyways, In the meantime, guys, I mean, we might be creating a fair value gap right here. So far we have a 35 point candle. The thing is, today's gonna be tricky. Today's gonna be tricky. Bro, Tyler. Bro. Can anyone tell me what the ticker on TradeAvate is? Yeah, it's MNQH5. Never thought I'd say this, but the 1 minute time frame looks better than the 5. Bro, yeah, for some reason it does. Now the 5 minute is catching up a little bit. We're getting some more volume and everything. Yeah, 40 points. Obviously we need to hold the candle for the next 2 minutes, but we can probably work something off this, right? Because I would want to see probably something like this, where we take up this, at least this New York high, maybe this one up here, and then we just could inverse this gap, and maybe we can take it down into this London low. Because remember, guys, we never took it out. We never took it out. So longs, no. But if anything, the worst thing that could probably happen is wait, what happened? Let me see. Oh yeah, bro. Wait, in the premium chat you said? Let me see. Hold up. Let me see, because I don't have the premium chat open. Oh yeah. Okay. Anyways, let me see. Check the DM super quick. That's what's the name of the chart too. Here is this one. It's let me see. Hold on, because there's like a million people DMing me right now. Okay, bet. Here. All right, bet. All right, I took care of that. My bad. I the thing is, I don't really read the premium chat, so I didn't know. Anyways. Yo, what about ES? I don't think ES is doing anything. Yeah, no, ES is definitely not doing anything either. The thing is, I would want it. I probably would want it to. Wait, let me see something. Because if we have something like this. Bro, what the hell? My laptop's crusted. No, we didn't. Yeah, I don't know what happened in the chat, but I took care of that. I kind of just got rid of it. Just, I don't know. That was weird. Okay, that was too far. Anyways, that's besides the point. It doesn't even matter anymore. Anyways, let me see. The 50-minute looks cleaner. Right, or am I wrong? Okay. So far on the 5, I mean, on the 5 minute we do have a setup. The thing is, no, the 15-minute, bro. The 15-minute looks hideous, bro. I don't know what you're seeing, but yeah. Just got funded. How many micros on a 50K? Do 7. 7 doesn't look too bad. Let me see. I'm pretty sure Top Step forces you onto a live account after 5K in payouts. Is there any way to avoid this? Bro, unfortunately, no. And I'm going to tell you one thing. No one in the world likes live accounts. Sure, it might be a flex to say, hey, I got moved to a live account. But at the end of the day, bro, it sucks. And Apex actually, they kind of force you into live accounts. The thing is, Apex doesn't really do live accounts like that. They don't really care about it. But if they do, you're kind of stuck with it. You know what I mean? And the worst part is you can't even blow up, like, even if you don't want to do it, you don't have a choice. Because if you blow up the live account, like if you fail it, you get banned. You know what I mean? That's stupid. I mean, to be fair, you are trading with real money, which, you know, I guess so, but I just wish they gave you a choice, you know? I'm sure they make more than enough money to, like, not really care if you trade on a live account or not, but, you know? Longer short, we don't have a setup yet, but so far we are looking more towards shorts. Because my bias is bearish. I really want to see these lows. I'm gonna target this instead. I want to see these 3 lows down here. It's 50K, not 5K. Wait, what? After 50K in I don't know. That's top. I've never really. I don't really use Top Step, so I wouldn't know. Thank you for what? Oh yeah, for the indicator. I got you, bro. I got you. Yeah, 50K in payouts. Okay, yeah, but if you're copy trading, that's not much. I mean, well, obviously it's a lot. It's 50K. You know what I mean? But it's like what I'm trying to say. It's just not that hard to It's not that hard to to really get. Anyways, okay, so we are pumping up right now. I don't know why we're pumping up. Now, no, I didn't mean it like that, but like it's not too much work. You know what I mean? Like if you're copy trading, all it takes is a 10K payout on 5 accounts, and you're there. You know what I mean? It's definitely possible. But anyways, so far, I mean, we are getting the look at the chart. I am, but chill. I have a big ass screen in front of me. Trust me, I'm seeing it. ES took off. It swept. Okay, that's a good sign. The thing is, I want to see 68 get swept as well. Oh my, bro, the buying looks crazy. So yeah. Why do people not like live accounts? Because exactly, it's real money and you can't copy trade. Obviously, okay, look, guys, where the real money is made in prop firms is not through accounts. Like it's through copy trading. And you can't do that. You can't really do that through a live account. You can only do one, right? So yeah, we'll see. But yeah, the thing is, I don't know. I feel like the market is just in a weird spot right now. But with us taking the thing is, okay, with us taking out this New York high up here, if we can sweep it and inverse gap, I'm not gonna lie, shorts wouldn't look horrible. They won't look the best, but they also won't look the worst. I don't know. If we do take this, it'll be a really risky setup. I would say. But they combine your cash into one, so you can size different. No, bro. Trust me. You still have the same rules. It's the same thing. The account's just real. It's the same rules, same everything. How's the real? Oh, I'm not gonna lie, bro. I kind of forgot about that. I got too busy. Anyways. Okay, so if we do get shorts, I mean, we would want to target. The new target would be 21,834.75, and our stop loss would be somewhat like 21,924.75. You know, the usual 30 point. The thing is, I would have to see very strong selling. The thing is, I just don't like the way the market is like. We're kind of stuck in this choppy range. Like we're stuck in the same range where we opened that. So I don't know. I don't know. It doesn't look the best, but it doesn't really look the worst. Okay, there you go. Anyways, yeah, if I do end up taking this, like if sellers do come in strong, I would consider taking a light position of shorts, like 7 contracts, below 894. That doesn't look horrible, especially with ES taking out this Asia high. It would kind of make sense for us to kind of sell off. Maybe the whole reason we pumped up is because of the Asia high. All right. Now I don't know if we have a fair value gap here. Not really. Not even on the 15-minute, but I'll mark it out just in case, just so I can have a reference on what ES is doing. But yeah, I do want to see some sort of a weakness candle from buyers, because obviously we had 3 buying candles and now we have a massive wick after we took out on this New York high. So maybe we can get something here. Maybe. The thing is, it would just be really risky. We're so close to 968. I mean, we can still take it out, but we don't have to take it. I mean, we took out, not only did we take out this London, Asia, and New York high, but we're also selling off. You get what I'm saying? So here, let me get this ready just in case. Let me get my my position ready. But yeah, like I said, I'm gonna do I'm gonna do a light contract, like a light amount of contracts if we do get this inverse, which we're about to get. All right, guys. So be ready for this one. Be ready. I do like the way the selling is coming in, but let me see. Hold on. Okay, guys. I'm gonna enter short here. I'm gonna enter short here. I got filled at 90. I'm in shorts. I'm in shorts. I'm in shorts. All right, guys. I'm in NQ shorts. I like the way the selling. Remember, I'm doing this one light. I don't really like the way the momentum is looking like so far, but the way the selling is coming in strong, I would say it looks pretty decent. Also, ES also inverses. Now it's not holding just yet because obviously the momentum is a little bit weird, but the way the selling is coming in, it looks more leaning more towards in our favor. All right, so we'll see how this one goes. But remember, I'm gonna do this one light. So yeah, let me see. Hold on. Let me see. Hold up. Okay, bet. Okay, there you go. I have to type something up. But yeah, now, like I said, I don't know. The selling looked good at the time. I don't know if it looks the best now. Like I said, the momentum is a little bit weird. But I would say as long as we hold below this inverse, we should be good. Now we could have definitely gotten a way better entry, but I'm not too worried about that. As long as we don't hold above this fair value gap, we should be good. Because we have the sweep and everything, especially on ES. So we should be going down sometime soon. From the reading that we're getting, we just need buyers to kind of get out of the picture. All right. But let's see. Yeah, so far I'm still sitting at break even. So we could have definitely got, I'm sure you guys probably got a better entry, right? We rushed that? No, we didn't. No, we didn't. It's just price is just moving weird. Let me see. My entry is 895. Okay, yeah, that's a good one. What did you guys get filled at? 93? Bro, I got 90 fill. 95, 85. Okay. Yeah, that's not horrible. That's not horrible. Now we just, like I said, all we have to do here is kind of just see if sellers can hold below this inverse. If we can get that, we should be good. The thing that's worrying me is ES. It's not really holding up this inverse, which can mess NQ up a little bit. All right, so we gotta see, right? We gotta see. Now it could take some time, and some room for us to get that buyer exhaustion. We don't know if we're gonna get it now or in a few minutes from now. But hopefully it just doesn't play with our stop loss, because if not, we're gonna have to find a re-entry. That's gonna be the only problem. Yeah, we're gonna see how this next candle opens up. If it shoots straight down, we should be good. We should be good. But the way the momentum is looking like right now, if we do get stopped out, we're gonna have to stay a little bit more patient for the re-entry, because we just need a cleaner market right now. Like I said, the setup is there, but it's not the cleanest. Not the cleanest. That's why I sized a little bit lighter on this one. And I don't want to say we rushed it, but it definitely looks a little bit, just not the most perfect one. So we're gonna see how this one plays with our stop loss. Let's see, because I just don't like the way ES is pushing up and the way it just didn't even hold up this inverse. So this could be a little bit risky. It can get a little bit closer to our stop loss. So let's see. Now, if we can get a green to red flip here, that's kind of all we need. That'll just show us that the buyer exhaustion is kind of out of the picture. But yeah. So far, it's close to our stop loss. But the way the sellers are looking, like it's good, but it's just we need it now. Like we don't have room for higher. We really don't have room for higher. But if we can get a green to red flip here, that'll be amazing. It's ES. This is what's worrying me a little bit, because we're like 4 points away from the stop loss. It's kind of scaring me. Let's see. A tick away. Yeah, we're probably gonna get stopped out on this one. It's literally right there. Oh my, bro! Imagine we reverse here. Nah. The bind looks too strong. We're probably gonna get stopped out. We're gonna have to look for a re-entry on this one. Yeah, there it is. All right, guys, I got stopped out of this one. I don't want to say we entered too quick, because the selling was definitely there. It just, I don't know. I would have to review that one. Let me kind of put it here. I got stopped. Let me see. How you guys doing? How you guys doing? We rushed it? No, we didn't. No, we didn't. Everything looks perfect. It's just that the momentum is just not there yet. So, because remember, look, ES took. Look at this. It's just, I don't know. Impatient trade? It wasn't, bro. It wasn't. Guys, we got the selling and everything. We got the inverse. We got the sweep. We had everything. It's just like I said, the volume is way too much right now to the point where it's not the cleanest. And that's why I sized light on it. But it definitely wasn't rushed. Now, the fill, that was a little bit of an issue. But I don't know. We're going to see. I'm going to see if I can get a re-entry. I'm not going to rush the re-entry, obviously. But I do want to say that we still have room for lower. Right? We just need to wait for a cleaner kind of momentum. The same people that bitch about the trade are the same people that tweak when they get a green. Yeah, no, I'm not tripping, but don't worry. The thing is, like, because the way it's looking like is buyers are getting weaker, and we have the bias. The bias is bearish. We know where the market wants to go. It's just finding the entry is going to be a little bit of a problem. That's going to be the issue. Because right now, the way that buyers and sellers are looking like, it's not the cleanest. But the bias is there. I will say that. The bias is definitely there. I already had two of my worst trades ever. Should I just call it? Yeah, if you're not feeling it, bro, yeah. But don't worry about it. What do you think about the candle closes versus the selling? I don't do candle closes. That really means nothing. Dude, if you're mad about being red, then bro, I don't know what to tell you, bro. It happens. Like, it's one losing trade. Like, you'll be fine. Let me see. I entered full size. I told you guys not to. Enter 7? Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. Anyways, I'm gonna see if I can get a re-entry. Like I said, my bias is going to stay bearish in the meantime. Now if you want to shoot a little bit higher, I guess that will be a little bit better for us, you know, going forward. I don't know. We kind of need to wait for another setup here to form, because this one right here, although it looked pretty decent, obviously the momentum is just not kind of lining up with it. Setup is cooked, right? Yeah, this setup, yeah, but the bias, no. We still have the same bias. Remember, we still have room to go lower. We have these three lows that we want to target. We just need to find a way to enter those shorts into that. I mean, so we're gonna wait on that. Yo, these Trump's marketing it. No, but bro, when we get the winners, bro, it's 100 plus points. You know what I mean? It's just I'm not gonna say it's a choppy market, just a weird market. You know what I mean? The market I'm gonna say maybe it wants to take out 968 first. But we don't know. Man, that setup did look good. Let me kind of get like a quick review here. Look at this. Okay, so peep this, guys, real quick, because this is what I was looking at. I don't know if I had time to explain it or not. But guys, we took out, okay, not only did we take out London, Asia, and this New York high, the opening high, but we also showed a lot of signs of selling, a straight selling candle. We inversed the gap, and we have room for lower. This setup wasn't rushed. I mean, if we didn't enter here, we would have never entered. You know what I mean? So for the people saying that it was rushed, just because price is moving fast doesn't mean that the setup is rushed. So yeah, there's a big difference there. I just kind of wanted to point that out. Where's the MSS? The MSS will be in this selling candle right here. Also on the 1 minute on the 1 minute time frame, here it is. The market went from creating higher highs and higher lows into taking out this high, creating a lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower low, lower low, lower low. All right. So yeah, everything is there. All right. But the thing is, we just need to wait for a little bit more. Bro, Dylan, bro, you lost one, bro. If you can't accept 1L, bro, trading is not for you, bro. That's all I'm gonna say. Because you're the only one that I always see crying about 1L, bro. If you can't take it, bro, bro, trading might not be for you, bro. It's one L that we size light on. You know what I mean? Like, come on now. Grow up. We've lost twice this week. Bro, we had a 150-point trade. We should still be green from this week if you caught that other trade. The one from Tuesday. Did you size 7? I did. David, when you say you enter, can you say it out loud so I can enter at the same time? I do. I say I'm in. Many times. Exactly, Natalie. That's what I'm saying. You know what I mean? Please don't let people affect your confidence. Bro, trust me, I don't let anyone get to me. Remember, like I always say, I don't trade for you guys. I trade for myself. I can take a loss. If you guys can't, then, that's on you. That's your problem. Okay. Now, anyways, so we're kind of shooting up into 968 again. So in the meantime, what we could do here, guys, is we could probably get a second shot at shorts. Now we're gonna need this candle to kind of pump up about at least 10 more points to the upside. So we can create a gap, because what can happen is we can inverse this, or I mean, we can take out this higher time frame liquidity up here. We create a bullish rally gap, we inverse it, and then we could take shorts into the downside below. All right, but the thing is, we have 1 minute and 30 seconds to this candle, and we need to pump up about 20 points. It's possible, but I mean, we're kind of on a time crunch. All right. But yeah, here, let me check something real quick. Yeah, these are the same people that are begging me to trade like days like yesterday. Like, you know what I mean? Like I couldn't care less. And that goes for everyone here. If you guys can't take 1, 2, 3 L's in a row, this is not for you, because it's gonna happen. It's gonna happen eventually. It's gonna catch up to you. How much are you down? I think I'm down about 400. Part of the game. That's what I'm saying. Bro, it happens. If anything, just restart. Okay, so we took out the liquidity. All right. Now, in this case, do we have the fair value gap? Well, by 2 points. I'm sure we're going to get it right now. There we go. Okay, so obviously we need to hold above 974. If we can hold above this for the next 10-ish minutes or so, or actually like the next 5 minutes, we can probably get another chance at shorts just a little bit higher, and probably with cleaner price action. So yeah, we'll see how this goes. We'll see how it goes. This candle closes in 8 seconds, so as long as this next candle doesn't kind of break this gap at 949, we should be good. I want to say we should be good. So it should look like this, right? So once again, on the higher time frame, we have the liquidity right here. Very, very nice liquidity. All right. Will we target 868 as liquidity? Oh yeah. Where we bounce from? Yeah, that will be one of our price targets. So, or actually, no, not 868. We will target 876. That's what I have, at least. All right. So in this case, on the higher time frame, what we're gonna do here is we're looking for a sweep off of 968. All right. We need to make sure that price holds below it, but not now. Right. We need to make sure that this gap exists. You know what I mean? We can't close this gap. Right, but what I would want to look for is for this candle to kind of close around this range, the next candle to kind of show some sign of selling. If we have to wait for another one, we will. As long as we inverse this gap, we should be good for another chance at shorts. Like I said, the more liquidity we take out to the upside, the more of a reason we have to be bearish, because there's just not going to be as much interest to the upside anymore. All right, so yeah, like I said, the setup is still there. We just got to give it time. You know what I mean? And if we do take this, I'll probably just take it from the way it looks. Obviously, I need to see how the selling looks, but if the selling looks good, I'll probably take it at full size. Just because the momentum is kind of like slowing down a little bit. You know what I mean? The chop is not really there. We go from there. All right. But now we need to see an MSS. But we don't have a lot of room for the MSS, do we? We can form the MSS as we're inversing the gap. So it shouldn't be a big deal. Also, we can also get it on the 1 minute, or we can even anticipate the MSS forming. All right. But as long as we show signs of strong selling, we should be good to inverse it. All right, now remember, guys, we still have 3 minutes into his candle. As long as this candle does not reverse and kind of, close the gap, we should be good. Now, I don't want to say anything yet. You know what I mean? You guys know I have a pretty bad history of jinxing fair value gaps, but we're going to see. We're going to see. All right. In the meantime, let me kind of get this alert ready just in case we do get the entry. Okay, so our price targets would be 21. The new price target will be 876, which is where we kind of bounce from. And then we're gonna have 34. Okay, yeah. So everything should be looking good. And our stop loss, let me kind of just fix that. Okay. So whatever's happening here, it's fine. As long as we don't have too much buying, we should be good, I want to say. But it should look somewhat like this. And then we just have a really nice price target, which is nearly 200 points if we could target that. So we'll see. But the way the market is looking like so far right now, I kind of like it. So I'm not too worried about it. I'm not too worried about it. What are you sizing? So far, I don't know yet. I need to see how the selling comes in. But if the selling does come in strong, I'll do 10 contracts. My usual full size. How long would the 80% off be for? It's going to be for like the next 7 days, maybe. 6 days. The next 6 days. The next 6 days. But yeah, guys, for now, like I said, don't really worry about it. We still have the same reading in the market. We just have to find a better entry. All right? And you guys know I got you guys. We just need this candle to close. Once we get the selling, an inverse shouldn't be a bad idea. Now, if that doesn't work, then it's probably going to be our Q2, you know, to kind of take a break from the charts. But we're going to see. I'm going to give the bearish bias one last chance because we have the reasoning to be bearish. We just need to wait for the confirmation. I got you guys famous last words. Bro, I hope not. Your full sizing? I don't know yet. I will let you guys know though. I need to wait for the selling to actually step in. I'm gonna go long so it drops for you guys. Bro, if you can help us out, bro. Anyways, in the meantime, ES is looking a little bit weaker as well, which is a good sign. Because if we can get that matching SMT, we also have a fair value gap here as well. But if we can get that matching SMT, we should be good. All right. As long as there's not too much buyers, we should be good. Because, I mean, honestly, for us to get an invert, or I mean, a sweep, we just need to sell off 30 points. With this market, it shouldn't be a hard thing, I want to say. Because obviously the market is moving really, really nice, right? So as long as we get a nice selling candle, about 30 points or so, we hold below this sweep, and we inverse this gap, we could take shorts into all of these levels of liquidity to the downside. So we would have about 4 price targets. On TradingView, it doesn't matter. It's the same thing. It's the same thing. If the price is different, but the charts are moving the same, we could still get the same reaction. Have you driven a Lambo before in the? No, I haven't. I haven't. When Lambo? I don't know, bro. Hopefully soon, bro. I want to get a Huracan. That's my dream car. Actually, no. It's what's the exhaust? I think it's the SVJ that no, yeah, the SVJ is what I like. It starts with a G, right? Yeah, that one, bro. Bro, I don't know what they put into that exhaust, but bro, I've never heard anything better, and I probably never will hear anything better. It held, yeah, no. So now we should be good. So now, if we do get selling in this candle, we should be good for a re-entry. All right, guys. How many contracts are you entering? I don't know. Like I said, I don't know yet. I need to wait for the selling to actually step in. But depending on how the selling steps in, I'll either do 7 or 10. If it's strong selling, I'll do 10. If it's whatever selling, but I like the setup, I'll do 7. Let me see. I broke the 30% negative rule. Should I say fuck it and try to get the money back by? I don't know. I don't know. What's the stop loss? If we're gonna enter around here, our stop loss should be 30 points, so it should be around 979. Yeah, it doesn't matter if it's different. The price will still move the same. Now I want to say we're starting to get something here. ES is holding below the sweep so far. NQ on the other hand, still nothing yet. We don't have the strongest selling. So we need to see how the selling picks up once we hold below 968. And ES is also inside of this bullish fair value gap. So if it can inverse this, it will kind of be like a +1 to this setup. But we're gonna see how it reacts. We're gonna see. Full size? I don't know yet. You guys keep asking me full size. I'm gonna tell you guys once I know. I don't know. I need to see how the selling comes in. Like if we get an impulse of selling, then yeah, I'll do 10. You know what I mean? So far, the way the selling's stepping in, yeah, I'll consider doing 10. And the way ES is stepping in as well, yeah. So far, I want to stick to 10. All right, guys. But yeah, we'll see. I'll let you guys know once if I enter or once I enter. Okay, ES inverse the gap. Now, what we need here is if you want the SMT to really follow along, not only do we need ES to really sell off going forward, but we need NQ to kind of pick up the same selling as ES. Look at the big difference here. You see what I mean? Well, obviously, like let me zoom in here. But you guys see the big difference here? There's a lot more selling on ES than there is on NQ. So as long as ES doesn't take out any liquidity to the downside, we should have room for lower, right? And that's what I'm telling you guys. My bias is gonna stay bearish until we take out at least this level. All right, we just need the selling. We just need the buyer exhaustion, which I guess they're getting a little bit exhausted as we go on. But so far, nothing crazy. I just want to see an impulse in selling. That what that shows you is that there's a lot more interest in selling than there is in buying, and then I mean it just lines up. All right. But so far, from the looks of it, NQ yes already kind of inversed it. But NQ is holding this fair value gap still. So far, buyers are still in control. How many points is your stop loss? I'm gonna do 30. 30 points. But I'm going to try to move it to break even as fast as I can if the trade does go in our favor. Because obviously, I'm probably going to do full size. When you do full size, you risk about 500? Yeah, around there. What's up with these 30 points? I don't know. Lately, I just feel more comfortable having a 30-point stop loss rather than a 25 points. I know it's a 5-point difference, but that 5 points can take you a long way. Especially if you know what you're looking at in the market. So yeah. Now we just need, as long as ES holds below 98, we should be good for sellers. It's just they don't look the most promising, especially with ES almost getting a red to green candle after an inverse. Not the best thing. Not the best thing, but who knows? How do you set the stop loss and the entry point on Tradevate? You kind of just you click on the chart and then you just click set stop. And then you just put how many contracts you want it if price goes above that level. Can you do more than 10 cons on 50Ks? Yeah, you can. Do I suggest it? No. That's way too much. Yeah, you literally click on the chart. Like on TradeView, you click on the chart and then like the buy order will come up and you just place it. Yes, it's messing us up. Yeah, bro. Yeah, by a lot. Yes should be the one leading us down. For some reason, it's leading us up. You know what I mean? Especially with us taking out liquidity and even inversing this 5-minute gap. Now, with us not inversing this 5-minute gap and not even respecting it, it shouldn't really do anything bad to us because obviously we're trying to trade NQ and NQ is nowhere near inversing the gap just yet. So we don't know yet. But from the looks of it, the setup is still there and the bias is still there. We just need now that we have the DOL taken out, we just need the MSS to form, right? How do we know that the MSS forms? Well, on the 1 minute, we kind of have it. But on the 5 minute, all we need to do is just break below this low with strong selling, and once we inverse this, we should be good. All right. Bro, I am out of breath. I've been talking too much this morning, more than usual. Someone said in the chat here, when David says, or when David gets on and says things like, I don't know, probably, or I don't know what the market is doing, just know that just don't trade for that day. Only trade when he becomes calm, bro. Bro. I guess somewhat. Does ES filling the gap not fuck us up? Not really. It would be an extra point if we kind of held it, but remember, we're trading NQ. We're not trading ES, right? As long as ES can break new lows and everything, we should be good, but you know what I mean? David just, yeah, bro. Let me drink, bro. Let me see. He's not lying. David, you have a confident what does that mean? Verbiage? What does that mean? It means you talk different? Oh, okay. Yeah, I mean, you guys heard me this morning when the market opened up. It wasn't the prettiest, but I do feel like we can definitely Oh, bro, Leo, this is actually amazing, bro. Anyways, the way the market opened up today is not the cleanest. You know what I mean? But that doesn't mean that we can't get a setup. You know? And the first entry that we took, it did look good. It's just that the momentum wasn't really the most promising. You know what I mean? Like, sure, we could have sold off. The volume was there and everything. You know? But it just didn't play out, which it happens. You know? You kind of have to deal with it. Nah, I just don't like the way ES is holding up after an inverse and after a sweep. That makes no sense. And I don't think we have room for higher. Yeah, we definitely don't have room for higher. I mean, there's nothing up here. Yeah, literally nothing. So it's either we hold below the 98 or we don't get a trade at all for the bearish bias. Because I want to say NQ doesn't look the strongest to the upside. The whole reason it's holding up is because of ES. Which makes no sense because ES was the bearish one literally a second ago. I don't know why it's getting this random ass reversal. But I guess we just got to give the market time. You know what I mean? Whenever we get the inverse is when we get it. David Chill, we can make the MSS now. Yeah, we could. We can make it at any time. As long as we hold below 968, we should be good. Let me see. I'm down 1,300 on my PA. That's a lot, bro. Make sure you're managing your risk pretty good. But you said, can I go 10 contracts to hopefully break even while still being... I'm not gonna... It depends on the account that you have. I don't know if you broke the 30% drawdown rule. You got to check on that. You got to tell me what account you have. David, would you consider this as a target? Are you talking about 22,078? I have 22,008, which, you know, it's a lot closer. I don't know about 78. I have 78, but that's really far. And then I have 08. What do I have at 08? Probably from like on the 1 hour. Actually, no. Maybe on the 30-minute. Wait, what? Why do I have 08? What level is this? Oh yeah, 08 doesn't even look that good. It looks like a whatever level. I mean, we're about to take it out. I mean, we're right there. You know, we're like 15 points away. But if anything, worst case, we take out 35 instead of 08, which will probably be a lot better in our case. But like I said, I'm not taking longs into this. I mean, the market has already done so much. You would be chasing longs. You know, so we kind of have to wait. I don't know if remember, we're kind of on a time crunch because apparently Trump is speaking at 1 p.m., which could help us out. You know what I mean? If we get a setup in the meantime. But we'll see. We just need to make sure that we get that buyer exhaustion as soon as possible, because that's when the setup will play out. The CPI help gold move. CPI helps everything move. It's because of that strong level, it retested and rejected, so there's a chance of going higher. I don't know. From what we were seeing, everything kind of lined up to the downside. It's just that the selling wasn't like really there. Like it was there, but not enough to really tell us like, hey, we're gonna go lower. That's why I told you guys, try to take it a little bit light. It's not looking the best, but we could definitely make it work. You know what I mean? It didn't work out. It happens. We go on. But we'll see. It's just bouncing off every fair value for no reason. Well, maybe it just wants to target liquidity above. But until we get that inverse, we're not gonna take anything. We're one angry whale away from a nice short. Yeah, bro, we're waiting on it. Trust me. I mean, bro, I'm screen sharing my entire screen. Hold up. There you go. Who's the other? You're crabby. This PA can't piss me off. Why is it pumping? We don't know, but we're waiting on it. But if we want to take out 08, I guess so. You know what I mean? We still have the same fair value up to inverse. As long as we get the selling, we should be good. What about the 15-minute time frame? There's nothing on the 15-minute. Have 08 marked out? Yeah, I don't know why I have 08 marked out. I don't know what's so special about that level. I marked it out, obviously knowing something, but now that I look at it now, it's... Oh, on the 5-minute, it looks a lot better. Yeah, but it's kind of like a weak level. It's nothing crazy. So don't really expect anything like crazy off this level. We can still reverse, but if anything, we have a better chance of reversing from 35 instead of 08. But if we reverse off 08, we can kind of, you know, do it from there. David forced to trade, bro. We had a bullish news. I just read yellow. No, that is nothing. That is nothing. It's too early to. If you want to get off, bro, you don't have to stay on. Oh wait, let me kind of put. I was looking at my second monitor. Okay, we took out the level. Now keep in mind, guys, we can still create setups on the way up. It's just that we don't have any signal to short yet. I really want to short, and I know it looks like I'm confident in it. It's just that we don't have any. Like we don't have an MSS. We don't have anything. So we need to wait on that. Once we get that, then we should be good to get a re-entry. But in the meantime, we kind of just have to wait it out. I'm just surprised that ES didn't really do anything with his inverse. I mean, it's weird. We got the sweep, we got the selling, we got the inverse, and it's pumping up and making new highs. That's a little weird, but I guess so. You know. Now, if you want to sweep here, so be it. I mean, all we have to do is kind of dump down 60 points in this price. Oh, no, never mind. Bruh. Okay, I mean, we can still use this gap up here, but what was that? What was that? Yeah. Anyways, did we create a gap here that we can also use? We did. Perfect. All right, so instead of using this setup, we'll just target it. Right? Okay, so now that we took out 35, which, like I said, it's a lot better. And keep in mind, guys, like I always say, the more levels of liquidity that we take out to the upside, the better the chance of a reversal is likely to happen very soon. All right. But yeah, okay. So now that this candle closed at the fair value gap, which is a really good sign, as long as we don't sell off just yet, we should have a gap in our hands. All right, that we could use. Remember, guys, we just took out 35. ES on the other hand really didn't take out anything. Yeah, nothing. So we're gonna have to kind of rely mainly off NQ here. But the way this would look like would be somewhat like this. Now, I don't know if I feel confident doing full size in such a bullish trend. Especially when we're gonna be trying to time the top here. Oh man, but we got an extra price target just like this. Okay. And then we'd have an extra price target just like this at 21,963. Okay. And then 224.25. Now, if we don't, okay, guys, if we don't get selling here, then we're kind of in a bad spot. Like, we need to get selling like right now, because this is what's gonna tell us if we want to sweep or not, or if we want to go higher. Because if we go higher from here, we're gonna have to come back PM session after Trump speaks, because we're probably not gonna get anything in the meantime. But for now, we're gonna have to rely mainly off the setup. Yeah, I know there's levels above. I just don't think we're gonna. We've gone up so much and we've taken out so much liquidity that it has you question like, hey, are we really interested in going any higher, or are we gonna reverse? You know what I mean? We just need that weakness in the selling, and once we get it, then we should be good. Which I'm not too worried about, but we just need that first. The next master level is 78. That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. How much am I down? 400. It's probably getting pushed up to dump down. Yeah, it's probably that's what I'm saying. It could be taking our liquidity to all of the liquidity to the upside. We don't know. We're just waiting on the signal for one. You know what I mean? Like once we get the setup, we're there. You know what I mean? So far, all we've done is kind of taken out the liquidity. We need to sweep it, and we also need to form the MSS model. And Powell, oh no, bro, bro, trust me. Recently, he's been moving the market more than Powell. Trust me, bro. Trump does not fuck around with the markets, bro. Take my word for it. Hey Blast, do you have a profit limit to only 750 to be made on the day? No, I don't. But you guys should, because obviously, remember, if your account is brand new, you're limited to 750. The more you make in the account, the more you can average out throughout your days. So the more, pretty much, the more buffer you have, the more you can kind of, you know what I mean? The more you can risk and the more you can make. That's how Apex has it as. Yeah, bro, Trump is the market. Yeah, exactly. Meme coins when? Never, bro. Not happening. David, how many accounts have you blown to become a lot. It's in the hundreds. Yeah, it's in the hundreds. Now, obviously, I didn't blow up each and every single one by one. You know what I mean? I was copy trading, but it adds up. You know what I mean? It happens. Remember, guys, I don't want you guys to look up to me as some like, you know what I mean? Remember, I'm still a student to the game. Everyone will always be. You know what I mean? No one can beat the market. Losses will happen. You're never gonna avoid it. Never. And if you, like I said, if you guys can't take one L, if you guys are gonna cry about one loss, I mean, maybe trading or any business is not for you, because you're gonna lose in everything. It's how you learn. You know what I mean? And I'll forever stick to that. Of course, bro. Of course. When's the last time you lost an account? Not too long ago. Because remember, I used to have 15 accounts and I lost. I remember I lost 2. Rookie numbers, bro. Don't tell me you're in the thousands. If you have a kid, are you gonna make them trade? Yes, for sure, bro. This thing has changed my life in every way possible. Not even like knowledge wise, but discipline wise, patience wise, emotion wise. Bro, trading will change you. The one thing about trading is it will really, okay. Look, trading has a lot of pros, but it has a lot of cons. This thing will make you depressed. Like, trading will make you like like it will make you go through the worst, like through hell and below. You know what I mean? Like, it's horrible. But the good thing behind that is, obviously, you have to go through the worst to become the best. You know what I mean? Obviously, you need to go through hell to become patient, disciplined, controlled, all that stuff. You know what I mean? But the only bad thing about trading that I will agree with, obviously, like I said, at first it might seem like it's hell, but if you look in the long term, trust me, it'll kind of like shape you to be the best you can. You know what I mean? So that's why I love trading so much. But the thing is the one thing it'll mess up is your the way you guys view money. It'll kill it. It'll kill it. Trust me, guys. The second you guys start, look, and I'm gonna be as realistic as possible, right? Look, I know a lot of you guys in your work jobs. I mean, it's how the world works. I mean, I'm not gonna be the guy that's like, oh, if you guys are working, you guys, no. I mean, that's how the world. Now, the problem here is with trading, the fact that you can make over $1,000 in a click of 2 buttons in a span of a few minutes, it will kill, and I mean kill, the way you guys view money, the way you guys view jobs. That's the one bad thing about it. So let's say, for example, trading doesn't work out for you, because obviously, you know what I mean. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, trading is not for everyone. It's way too much. It's too much of a mental battle. You will go through depression. It's gonna happen. You know what I mean? And you're gonna lose money. It's how you learn, right? It's the same way you guys pay college to get an education. The same way you're paying the markets to learn on your own. All right, it's how it works, right? Not everyone will be able to go through that. It's a huge emotional battle. It's a huge mental battle, and it's very hard. I've almost quit so many times, and there's times where I even want to quit recently because of an L or of the shit that happens. You know what I mean? So it's not gonna happen with everyone. But the fact that you know that you can make so much money if you know what you're doing in a matter of a few minutes with a click of 2 buttons, buy and sell, you're never gonna see a job the same way. And I'm just being realistic. I'm not saying that a job is bad or anything. I will never say that. It's how the world spins. If everyone is trading, then how the hell is the world gonna work? You know what I mean? But you guys know what I mean. Like, there's over 520 of you guys in here. There's over 100 of you guys on YouTube. You guys have all traded. You guys are literally trading with me, right? We're trading as a team, right? You guys know exactly what I'm saying. The fact that the feeling of us making, let's say for example, $500, $5,000, or even 10K in a trade, because I've seen you guys make that much in a trade, you're never gonna look at a job the same way. It's just, it kills it. That's the only bad thing about it. So let's say for example, like I said, trading is not for everyone. It doesn't work for everyone, right? If it doesn't work, if you're part of that percent that it doesn't work, which I hope you guys aren't that part of that percent. I hope you guys really live through the pain and everything, because trust me, it will shape you for the best. You're gonna go back to your normal life and be like, damn, you know what I mean? Like I'm not trying to say like it's anything bad, but it kind of just wakes you up. You know what I mean? Bro, trust me, Arab, it's gonna lose everyone money. What's up, Krabby? What's good? Let me see. After a 6K payout, I'm thinking about leaving a 1 point. Bro, okay, don't look at it. Make sure you're consistent. Look, actually I read something on Twitter yesterday that someone made 20K from prop firms, and for some reason he got tilted. I guess his ego got to him or whatever, and he hasn't been able to win ever since. Once you guys are able to live, not only do you guys need an emergency fund before you quit your job to go full into trading, but make sure you guys are consistent. Make sure you guys are mentally there, because look, we have streaks, right? I mean, guys, we have had a 2 month winning streak. You know what it is having 2 months of no losses. I promise you guys. Every single day, winning trade after winning trade after winning trade after winning trade. That's consistent. But will those 2 months have you set for the next 60 years? No, they won't. All right. So once you guys, it's not about the consistency. Once you guys are able to kind of be mature enough to actually handle losses, that's when you guys can quit your job. That's when you guys can do all of that stuff. All right. But just because you guys got one nice 6K payout, that's not enough to quit your job. That's not gonna happen. All right. And if you do that, you're extremely, I'm gonna say immature and extremely irresponsible. All right. Have losses ever, bro, all the time. All the time. I'm probably gonna get off after this. And like, look, if we don't get a trade going forward and we get off, obviously I'm gonna be questioning this loss, where we went wrong, and it gets to you. It's a mental battle. Exactly. Like how Karabi said. You guys have to be mature enough to know exactly how to live. Remember, guys, the trading income is not guaranteed. It's based off your performance, not based off your time. You know what I mean? If your performance is not there, that month is gonna be hard. Did you ever work a job? I almost did, but remember, bro, Elon, you've been with me since I literally started. You know what I mean? So, when I started trading at 15. Obviously, I'm not gonna be a 15-year-old that needs money. You know what I mean? I didn't really need a job. And then as I went on, obviously, I built the skill over trading to the point where it kind of became my job. You know what I mean? Now I do affiliates, Discord, trading, all that stuff. You know? So, and I always thank God for that position. Always, always. How long did it take for you to become profitable? I actually flipped because when I used to do options, I flipped my Weibo account from red to green about 2 years in. I remember it was a summer. I always tell you guys this. It was the summer of senior year. Like as I was going into senior year, that's when I became profitable. That's when I actually started seeing consistency in my trades. Yeah, but Adrian, you gotta keep in mind, I can't really control that. You know what I mean? You guys found me. You guys got interested. You know what I mean? I don't really force you guys to really be in here. You know? And of course. David, can you tell WAP that this, bro? I tried telling them to turn that shit off because I don't like it, bro. Kami, bro, you know how WAP is always exposing how much people make, bro? Apparently, they have this one thing that's called the daily spin the wheel, where if you spin the wheel, apparently you can get a free month of premium. Bro, hell, bro, that's not how it works, bro. That's not how shit, bro. Shit is not sweet here, bro. And I tried telling them, like, bro, turn that off. And they're like, no, bro, it's for marketing. It's for marketing. No, I don't care about the marketing, bro. Turn that shit off. Anyways, guys, we're forming the MSS, or at least we're trying to form the MSS here. So far, we're holding below 35. I mean, we just broke below it. Now, all we need to do is get strong selling. We form the MSS. And then once we get this inverse, we should be good for the next re-entry in shorts. Bro, I am out of breath, bro. Oh, my God. Dude, I've been talking so much today. Like, I actually feel lightheaded. Bro, that weak ass wheel, bro. I tried telling them, bro, turn it off. I don't want it. They're like, no. It's just how the platform works. We take it out of our pocket. But no, you don't. Yeah, right, bro. Are they paying me for that? No. That too, bro. They're paying me for my fees, bro. Shall we come back PM session? Not yet, bro. Not yet. Now obviously the closer we get to 1 p.m., the closer we're gonna get to Trump speaking. So we don't know. We don't know. But yeah, is it? But I'm not reading that. Are we taking it off the 5 or 15 minute time frame? Wait, I got a message here. Let me see. In the meantime, guys, I'm gonna take a deep breath because I've been talking so much and I am out of breath. So, bro, Krabby, if you want to talk to them, bro, take over, bro. Bro, yeah, we ended up getting shorts, but we got stopped. No, I'm not. I'm not tripping about it, but I'm gonna try to. I'm trying to find a reentry. Yeah, 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 bro. You're answering these like it's a fucking test, bro. What, bro? Like, bro, I remember when I found you, bro, trading Tesla, live trading Tesla. Bro, you've been in it for 3 years, live 3 years, pretty much every day, pretty much every day for 3 years, dude. That is some consistency, bro. But all right, guys. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. But yeah, so far, guys, we're like I said, I'm not. I don't really have too much to say until we get to selling. We're trying to get it, but obviously, you guys know the trend is bullish, so buyers are gonna be fighting for it. So depending on whatever happens, we either get it the inverse or not. You know. So we'll see. We'll see. You basically said the market is either gonna buy or sell, bro. Wait, Kyrie, did you make everything back from yesterday? Yeah, right. I mean, by a long shot, I'm assuming. Bro, yesterday was so, bro. I was tilted for you, bro. It was so bad, and I wish I would. I don't know, bro. Ah, fuck! I opened Instagram, bro. I gotta read these messages. Bro, I said the same thing. No, no, I've never said that here. I've never said that here. Bro. Bro, Gear, I know exactly what you're talking about. Bro, did I go to Brickell yesterday? I did. Bro, Krabby, you know those videos on Instagram of the people with the metal glasses and they go up to these girls and it's the same script every time. Bro, I see them all the time, bro. Bro, I know these girls are exhausted from them, bro. Like I see it in the videos, like they see a guy coming up to them and they just have that face on, bro. Do you guys know what I'm talking about? They just have the face like oh, I gotta put up with this with another one of these bullshit ass videos, bro. Bro, I would be annoyed too, bro. It gets to a point where it's like, bro, like, come on now, bro. Like, it's like every day the same guys in Brickell talking to a million girls, and I see that. Yeah, he has like the meta glasses that films everything. Is he from Florida? Yeah, I am, bro. I'm in Miami. Hey, where'd you get that? The same script, though. Hey, where'd I get what? Oh, the smile. You know, the same bullshit. The same bullshit, bro. So cringe, bro. It's horrible. Are you talking about Say? I don't know his name. But it's like a group of those kids that always do it there. Were you born there? No, I wasn't. I wasn't. Oh hell nah, bro. Oh hell nah, bro. Oh hell nah. Oh, by the way, guys, ES is once again trying to push into this gap again, but still no signal, bro. There you got, bro. No, I don't, bro. Okay, so Blasters, hypothetically, if I walked up to you and asked for your number, asked you that, I'm not getting your number. No, bro. No, no. Look, I'm gonna be honest with you, bro. If I was a girl and someone came up to me in Brickle doing that shit with those dumbass glasses, bro, I'm walking away, bro. I'm walking away. That's all I'm gonna say. That's all I'm gonna say. But that shit's annoying, bro. Like, like I watch it a lot, and look, like, you know, I'm a pretty dumb guy. You know what I mean? Like, I laugh at the stupidest shit, but bro, that thing is annoying. And I'm not one to say anything is annoying ever. You know what I mean? Like, I usually like vibe with everything, but bro, that. Bro, what is what? Oh, dude, I'm so out of breath. What do you? What am I out of breath for? Do you not hear me talking like a million, like super loud? Do you have asthma? No, I'm just talking a lot today. I need all my buddies. You got lisp? No. Does it sound like I have lisp? Yeah, but I do not. Does it actually sound like I have lisp? A little bit, bro. It's because, bro. Yeah, I'm not trying to see that, bro. I do not have lisp. No. It's your S's. I do not, bro. I think it's because I talk. I think I talk so fast that it kind of sounds like it. Bro, wait, what? TGR Trades mentioned you? No way. For real? Wait, for real? Nah, nah, nah. That's a lie. Hold on, let me check. Bro, imagine he's talking about Blast Free Trades. He did? Wait. For real? For real? Wait. What did he say? Bro, no, he didn't. But bro, I was about to say, what the hell? What? Bro, nah, you guys are something. Bro, I was about to be like, yo, no way, bro, chill, bro. That could have been like a big push in my career, bro. That would have been super trend, bro. Super trend, bro. You guys had me hyped up for a second, bro. Oh, nah, you guys are fucked up, bro. We're gonna say this, no, but there's a lot of bad stuff behind it. I mean, it was bro. Yo, Krabby, did you see what happened with bro saw the money? Yeah. Anyways, bro, did you see what happened with Danny Trades? Did you watch the video? Bro, that is bad. Bro, I felt so bad for Jadon, bro. He made the video yesterday, bro. He was in tears, bro. I felt so bad. Yeah, no, I mean, bro, I mean, bro, that was too, bro, come on, guys. I mean, look, if it's too good to be true, if you guys are actually questioning the trades, then it's too good to be true. You know what I mean? You're next? Oh, hell no. Oh, hell no. Bro, what the hell? Anyways, bro, what happened with Danny? Bro, okay, look. So for the people that don't know, while we wait for the trade, obviously, you know what I mean, we're still waiting for the selling, so we're gonna get a little bit off topic. But okay, do you guys know Patrick? What's the name? Patrick Willen? What? whatever it is, right? Well, you guys know who it is. The Patrick guy, the old dude, the bald dude, the Patrick guy, the one that everyone hates, right? Okay. So, what ended up happening is they got into some beef because apparently Danny trades, obviously, look, so if you're an owner of a prop firm, you should not be giving out signals. Why? Because it's a massive red flag. You being the owner of a prop firm, you profit from people failing, not from people passing, right? So if you're gonna be doing alerts, obviously you're gonna be making sure that those alerts fail. Why? Because you make money from people failing. You lose money from people winning from your alerts. All right, stay with me now. All right. So what ended up happening is on Friday, last Friday, I think it was last Friday or last Friday, one of those, right? What ended up happening is Danny took a random trade. He was up $40,000 and he let that trade go from $40,000 all the way down to red or to zero or one of those, right? And it's yeah, pretty much, right? So obviously people following the alerts, they lost money. And with them losing money, they lost their prop accounts. And with them losing their prop accounts, that money goes into Danny's pockets, right? So it turns out this whole time, apparently, what Danny was trading was on a demo account. It was not an FFF account. That's what the prop firm is called. It was not a real account. It was nothing, right? And Patrick caught on to this because Patrick was asking for what is the broker statement for that day, and it took Danny 3 days to put out a broker statement that takes 2 seconds. All you have to do is go to TradeAvate, click a performance, click the day, and click show performance or show report, and it shows you the entire report of all the trades taken, of everything, right? And it took Danny Trades 3 days to show a broker statement. And not only that, but guys, showing broker statements is not a big deal. It's 2 clicks. It's public, right? But he was also telling Patrick, hey, I can't show you my broker statements until my lawyer says so. Why does a lawyer have to get involved over a trade that you took on live that everyone saw, right? So not only is that a red flag, but what ended up happening is, okay, it took him 3 days to make a video on his broker statement, but there was a split second, right? So what he ended up doing is he was recording his screen, but he had an overlay. That overlay, you guys know how on TradeAvate it shows you if the account name, like if it says demo, Apex, or a few numbers, if it's a real account. What he did is he added an overlay over the demo name to say his name, right? But the problem is his editor fucked up for literally a split second. I don't know how Patrick caught on to this. He was watching the video in like 0.3 speed, but he caught onto it for a split second to where the thing said demo instead of a real account. And then it switched over to a real account, right? And he called him out. And he's like, you're faking it. This is not even a real account. And then Danny, obviously the only excuse you have to say is, oh, guys, it was a glitch. Like, this is not true. It was a glitch, right? And he got so defensive about it that he started including TradeAvate into the drama. He called TradeAvate. He emailed them. He messaged them and everything. And hear me out, guys. A broker has never done this ever in history, right? But the most embarrassing part that fucked Danny up so much is TradeAvate heard of this drama and they personally closed Danny's account, pretty much saying, hey, we don't want to do any business with you. That is the worst of the worst part that you can possibly do. Yeah. So when Patrick found out about this, because Danny was live trading and he was trying to log into his broker, it said, hey, there's an error with your account. It's been suspended. Call this number if you need support. He got banned. A broker has never banned anyone from their thing. Look, if a broker bans you from the thing, that's like the biggest red flag. Like, he can't get any more red. All right. So what ended up happening is Danny Trades came clean. I mean, he was forced to. I mean, the excuses, the lies, the proof, him getting banned off TradeAvate, everything was against him. And he kept saying, hey, my lawyers, you know what I mean? It got to the point where he can't say my lawyers anymore because he's been exposed. There's no coming back from that, right? So long story short, Jadon, him defending his business partner. I mean, you know what I mean? If you guys had a business partner, you would be on his side all the time. It not only is your friend, but it also affects your brand, right? So Jadon, not really knowing too much about all of this, he's like, yeah, guys, don't worry. I mean, he's all legit, whatever. And once he got exposed, obviously Jadon was heartbroken. Remember, guys, one thing I always say is Jadon is one of the most legit guys in the space. I fuck with Jadon so much. He's super, super honest. I'm going to say he actually didn't know, right? So pretty much what ended up happening is he came on Twitter. He's like, guys, look, Obviously, this is hurting my brand. We removed Danny Trades from it. Everything that happens with this platform going forward is with me. And obviously, Jadon will never fuck anyone up. I really hope not. Like, he's one of the most legit guys in the space, right? He just got associated with the wrong guy. I guess he didn't do his research. He could have collabed with anyone else but Danny Trades. So yeah. Long story short, big trading drama turned into something so, like a lot of people got fucked up with that. You know what I mean? So yeah, pretty much that's what ended up happening. Bro, Krabby, someone just spun the wheel to the thing and won lifetime. Bro, I'm gonna emo WAP. I am not letting this happen. Bro, look at the chat right now, bro. Look at the chat. 11. Bro, no. How do you turn this shit off, bro? No. Hold on. No, chill. Do not spin that wheel. Bro, do not spin that wheel, bro. Do not spin that. If I find out, I'm going to take that shit away, bro. No, hell nah, bro. Bro, WAP is robbing me, bro. They're not even paying me for that shit. No. Hold on. Bro, what the hell? Someone just won lifetime for free. No. Hold on, bro. It's not real. Let me find out, bro. Let me find out, bro. Anyways, but yeah, that just shows you guys. Look, how many times? Look, for the people that have been with me for over a month, right? How many times have I warned you guys, stay away from any influencer prop firm? Something will always go wrong. Something. Look at TGR, look at Jadon, look at Danny Trades. Nikolai, honestly, nothing too bad with him yet, but you know what I mean? But you guys have to have your doubts. All right? Please be careful with these prop firms. Look, I already tell you guys all the time, all you need is Apex or Top Step. Not only are they cheap, but they're legit. They've been in the game for years. For literally years. You know what I mean? So yeah. Bro, my stomach is growling, bro. Let me see. Jadon will call Danny while he was live trading to tell him to get out of the trades and shit. Bro, yeah, because the thing is, guys, look, if the trade is too good to be true, then it probably is. It probably is. You know what I mean? Take profit trader for me. Take profit. It's there. Is TGR legit? Yes, but the thing, the look, anytime something bad happens with a prop firm, it's not the influencer that fucks you up. It's their business partners, the people that don't have a name for themselves. So they don't care if they get exposed. Why? Because their reputation is not gonna get hurt, right? For example, Danny Trades. Not many people knew about him until now, right? I mean, he's a big trader, but not the biggest one, right? But once the biggest trader associates themselves with someone like that, you know what I mean? It can hurt Jadon's reputation. Now, you guys think of Jadon as a scammer, right? Because that's pretty much what happened. Love or hate him, that's what happened. All right, and look, I love Jadon. Like, I really, really fuck with him. Are my trading stats good? Bro, what the hell? How many trades are you taking, bro? I don't think those are good, but fuck it. Anyways, are we going to PM session? I don't know. If we have to, I will. I just don't want to be trading while Trump is speaking because that's going to be very, very hectic. All right. So in the meantime, we're just waiting on the settings to step in. Anyways, so you guys get the deal. All right. It just hurts a lot of reputations. So just please do your research when you guys are trading prop firms. Trump needs to stop speaking, bro. He's just getting everything into play. Do you know Dero Trades? I've never heard of him. But check the YouTube chat. Oh, okay. That makes sense. Have you heard of Krabby Trades? Not really. Okay, maybe it's DM. You listen. I'm gonna mention this. But yeah, Lonzo's also like, bro. I always tell you guys, look, I'll never give you guys a suggestion that I would never, take for myself. Krabby and Lonzo up there, bro. Krabby, this market, bro. Hopefully we don't. We're probably, yeah. I don't know if we're gonna chop until Trump, bro. He's speaking every single day, bro. You know about bodies. Bodies, yeah. I won, yeah, I won. But the thing is, oh yeah, okay, you answered him. Sounds like you say Krabby. I always do. That's what I call him. Lonzo says that fair value gaps are trash. Isn't that what he Isn't that what he trades? Am I wrong? Krabby. He trades fair value gaps. No, he has different models. That's the thing. Yeah. What about Steph trades? Oh, he's legit. I fuck with Steph trades. Bro, that's a blonde guy. You don't know him? The one with the blue eyes, blonde. He always wears a hat and a tank top. What about Dodgy DD? I don't know, bro. Dumb dude. I'm gonna buy hella accounts when you make your prop firm. Bro, I would make one, but it's not the right. I don't feel like it's the right thing to do. It's also a lot of money that I don't have. Does Lonzo trade? Bro, Lonzo trades like a million setups. I think Lonzo does. I don't know. You're giving an alert to a prop firm would be bad for you? Exactly. So if you guys see, if I ever release a prop firm and you guys see a sudden shift in the alerts, you know why. I'm not. Listen, I'm gonna expose myself right now because I'm not one to do this. But if I ever do that, you know what I mean. What's the website to measure how many? How much? Oh, here it is. 1 second. You don't know about this. Thank you. I got you. Damn, I gotta go to work at 1:30. Bro, we still have time. Don't worry. We just need the selling. I don't know when the selling is gonna come in. We are getting. It does seem like we are getting buyer exhaustion, not on ES, but definitely on NQ. So as long as once we get the impulse in selling, once the sellers step in, and we inverse gap, we should be good to go. As long as we hold below 35, we should be good. David, what's your favorite artist? I don't think you guys know him. But on Jadon's podcast a while ago, he said he saw proof. Bro, the reason, guys, I could say, look, let's say, for example, Krabby's my business partner. I could say, oh, yeah, guys, I saw his bank account. He has $700,000 in his bank account. Not literally, but, you know what I mean? For example, just because someone says something does not, if they don't show it, then it's not there. Exactly. You guys got to keep in mind, Jadon is his business partner. He's going to do everything in his power to make sure that they look good. Right? What happened when Danny was getting exposed, although everything was true, Jadon was on his side the entire time. So Jadon lied? Well, we don't know if he lied. Maybe Danny Trades did make 800K. Who knows, right? But from the looks of it, right now, what happened when he got exposed for trading a fake account, it's not the best look. You know what I mean? So obviously, we're gonna have our concerns. You know, I'm not saying it's fake, but you know, no, I'm not. But I'm not on Jadon's payroll. The hell. Anyways, guys, let's see if we can break this low right here. We've been waiting on it for like what, like 20 minutes now. I know more bodies. Let me sure I have the alert ready just in case. 63. Yep, I have it ready. All right, cool. But we just need more selling. Bro, I was just telling me that song. Bro, I woke up today at 8 in the morning. And I've been on TikTok and all I've been getting is the PMO and all that shit. It's all I'm getting, bro. It's like the Drewski dance in the back. Like this dance right here. Tell sellers to sell. I'm trying, bro. I'm trying, but bro, it's just slow as hell. Guys, I'm not gonna lie. This might. I don't want to say anything yet, but this might be a PM session. We need Trump to kind of. But look, if we do PM session, we need to do it on live because, man, I don't know. It's gonna be so risky because trading Trump is like trading FOMC pretty much. SPX is ES. Remember that. What is PM session? Okay, so you know how there's an AM and a PM, right? So we're just gonna get off, or not now, but you know what I mean. Like we would get off. One. You traded. Oh yeah, I used to. Yeah, I used to. Bro, Bro, I haven't seen that video in so long. But yeah, I used to break. What is it called? Opening. What is it? Opening range breakouts with gap fills. Bro, that was really fun to trade. Holy aura. But yeah, it's an old video. It's like 2 years old. So like get off in like 30 minutes or like for like 30 minutes. Yeah, get off until 1 if anything. But the thing is, I want to stay on because I want to make sure that we get the selling in time, but we're not getting anything. So maybe we might just need Trump to kind of speak on the tariffs. Remember, guys, Trump said that today was going to be the biggest day for the tariff news. So the markets are going to move. We just have to catch the timing good. All right. We don't know how we're going to catch it. We're going to try to catch it, but we're going to see. We're going to see, guys. We're going to make it work. I don't want to end red today. Today is not a day that I want to end red. The setup was perfect. It just didn't work out, which is stupid, but that's life. What's an orb? It's known as opening range breakouts. It's pretty much you just wait for like I think the 5-minute candle to close, and then you just take the breakout out of whichever way. I'm just bummed out that we're so far at least we're red today. That setup looked good. It's just the momentum. It just wasn't like promising. I'm glad I sized light. If not, I would have been tilted. But so far, I want to say I'm pretty good. Bro, I'm not reading that, bro. Hey, David. Bro. Watch, this is gonna. It probably will. Usually with tariffs, what happens? Well, it depends on how. I don't think tariffs are ever good, right, Kirby? Yeah. So it's probably gonna dump. That's what's happened the last 3 times. The trade was good. Like we said, don't view me exactly. I just don't like how people are saying it was rushed. Guys, you guys got to keep in mind, a rush trade is when, let's say for example, we enter before the entry model, right? That's rushed. Just because price is moving fast does not mean that the trade was rushed. We just try to enter quick. You know what I mean? It's either we enter then, or we don't enter at all. The trade goes without us. You know? So yeah, you got to keep that in mind. You collect. Oh, that's for Krabby. Yeah, someone asked you if you collect watches. Yeah, exactly. I also did say to size light. I do enter manually. Yeah. Bro, EJ, you're chilling, bro. Just don't oversize. If you're that close to passing, just those are the people who will get mad when they say they missed a trade. They didn't miss it. They just don't know what they're doing. Yeah, but I promise you, bro. I never let anyone get to me. Never. It will never happen, bro. Mo, I want to get a Patek, bro. The thin I think it's rose gold or the bronze one, bro. What? Let me see. Yeah, but in bronze, dude. It's such a beautiful watch. Look, this one, bro. It's $200,000, bro. There's a whole house. I'm not getting that. Look, the one that Mo sent. Look, this one. This one, bro. Most beautiful watch I've ever seen in my life. It's so clean, so just like so perfect. I did say rose gold. Rose gold or yeah, rose gold. Yeah, bronze or rose gold. Yeah. Bruh. Why manually and not limit orders? I don't know. I like to wait to make. I don't know. I've always done manually. I'm not used to Paddock on my wrist. Now the frosted APs, the frosted ones, those are not iced out, right? I've heard of frosted APs. Let me see. Frosted AP. The Paddock on my wrist. I don't know. That kind of takes away the cleanness from the watch. It's there, I guess. You know what I mean? Like, it's alright. I wouldn't get it. Entry at 995 if we see enough selling. Yeah, that's what we're looking for. Do you also manually sell? Yes, I do. The only thing that's automatic is my stop loss. Look up white ceramic AP. Bro, what is this market, bro? We're gonna have to wait for Trump. Oh, that's nice. Actually, nah, it looks like a G-Shock. Yeah, no. That looks like a G-Shock. No, I'm not dissing G. No. I'm not saying anything bad about G. I'm just saying that I would want the watch to kind of stand out. You know what I mean? I'm not saying it's bad. I mean, yep, the thin ones too. Yep. Mm-hmm. Richard, is it Richard Millie or Richard Mills? How do you say it, bro? I'm saying Richard. Yeah. Nah, I'm gonna say Richard, bro. The dude's name is Richard. Yeah, bro. They're so bulky, bro. It's like a brick on your wrist. Bro, that was my first watch. Lelouch. And you know my body's. Yeah, guys, I know we're selling. You guys don't have to mention it. I promise you, there's a big ass monitor in front of my face. You know my body. Yeah. And you know my body. And I'm in my body, yeah. But let me open up my YouTube chat. Okay, let me see. That boy Lanto another levels with the setup. Yeah, no. Lanto's actually goaded, bro. That shit looks fake as hell. Yeah, with all the SoundCloud rappers, dude. That shit looks fake as hell. Like the what is it? The Roman numerals. That shit, bro. It's so it. Why are they so big? That's something that you get like at Ross. Wait, do you have Ross over there? Do you have Ross over there in Canada? Oh, anyways, guys. Okay, we're getting some selling. So hopefully the selling doesn't really fuck us up. dude, it's like we sell off and then we pump up and then we sell off and we pump up again. Like, can we just get clean momentum? That's the whole reason why we got stopped out in the first trade. And I'm not trying to go through that again in the second trade. I need all my bodies. Bro, twisted. There's no way. Oh my. Bro. Nah, you got it, bro. You got it. 4 light? I don't know, but from the looks of it, I might just do 7. I might just stick to 7. I wanted to do 4, but no, I don't know. The momentum is not there. We do have the MSS model though. We have the sweep MSS, and we were about to get the inverse. It's just we don't have the volume, the momentum. I need all my bodies. By this? By what? You know, apparently one of the members in. Okay, you guys remember KP, right? I haven't heard from him. I have to check on him. But apparently he has the what is it called? The Rolex with the rainbow Rolex. Yeah, I get it. The rainbow Rolex. Dude, that thing's like 600 bands, bro. Right? Is it that much? Okay, hold on. We're getting selling, guys. Lock in. Now, selling doesn't look the best, but it's there. It's something that we can definitely work with, right? And ES is also about to. I gotta use the bathroom. So hopefully we get the entry, so I could just go real quick. But hopefully we get this soon. We have a lot of price targets. If anything, guys, this trade, what we could do is, okay, look, I'm gonna take this light. I'm gonna do 7 contracts, right? If we take this. I'm gonna look to trim fairly quick, maybe at PT1 around 963. It's not super far away, it's like 30 points. So that could be a really good price target. Yeah, exactly 30 points, right? We sell most of our contracts and we hold our runners for Trump, right? Because I'm pretty sure usually with tariffs, what tends to happen is the market gets really volatile, but most times it's bad news. So it's bearish news. So if we can manage to hold our runners without getting stopped out as Trump is speaking, we can definitely make a lot of money from these runners if we can snipe the perfect entry. Now, obviously, guys, the market not looking the greatest, but we could definitely make it work as long as price can respect the momentum. All right, so we're gonna find out. So far, ES and NQ, we are selling off, a good chunk, that we can definitely put to use. So we're about to find out, right? But remember, guys, the whole point of this trade is for us to kind of snipe a good entry. We take trims very quick. Once we get those trims, we just hold runners for Trump, all right? Because he's going to be speaking about the tariffs, okay? But yeah, let's see if we can kind of get an impulse below this. Once we get that impulse, we enter, okay? And this is going to be my final setup for the day. If this one doesn't work, I'm just going to get off, all right? But we need more selling. We might be trading a slow market here, so, be ready to be patient, all right, guys? But yeah, remember, try to trim most at like 20, 25, maybe 30 points. Once you get that, we just hold runners, okay? That's the game plan here. Now, I really want to enter around here. We're at the entry point, but the selling is not convincing yet. I mean, we're kind of wicking here. I don't want to get caught in the pullback. You know what I mean? We want to get that done and over with to a point where we only get selling, all right? Now, yes, also inverse. We're kind of struggling to hold the inverse, so we need to make sure that the buying is not there. All right, look at that. We don't want to see this. We want to see selling. All right, because that's what happened on the last trade, and I'm not trying to get caught again because I'm gonna get tilted. Make sure ES doesn't have any liquidity anywhere. Okay, yeah. All right, guys, I'm gonna enter shorts here. I'm in shorts. Remember, I took it. I'm gonna take this with a light size, 7 contracts. All right, you guys take it with the light size that you know you can afford to lose. Okay, guys. All right, I'm gonna go use the bathroom, so I'll be back in a second. If we sell off, you guys trim, okay? Don't worry about me. Okay, I'm back. It wasn't much, so I let it out quick. Anyways, did we sell off? No, nothing crazy yet. Okay, but we are holding below this inverse, which is a very good sign, right? So as long as we can hold below this inverse, we should see 963. Hopefully, hopefully. All right, guys. But yeah, like I said, the whole point of this trade, guys, is try to get trims on most of your contracts as fast as possible so you can either break even or try to end the day a little bit green. And then our job here is going to be for our runners to actually make our money. All right. How many? Most of them, like maybe like 70% of them, maybe like 5 contracts. And then we hold 2, 3 runners, whatever, for Trump. All right. When is Trump speaking? He's speaking in 1 hour and 30 minutes. All right. So remember, guys, don't expect too much, anything crazy out of this trade. Right? Hopefully we get something out of it, obviously. But make sure you guys are trimming most of it because the whole point of this trade is so we can get an early entry to be ready for Trump. Okay, guys? That's the whole goal here. That's the whole goal here. Now, hopefully we don't really get fucked over with the momentum because obviously you guys know the volume is a little bit weird. But we're going to make it work. We're going to try to make it work. Okay? What was your fill? 994. 994 was my fill. I'm assuming you guys got a fill around there, maybe 991, 994, around there. Can you leave again? Bro. 9949. Okay. Yeah, so we should be good. We should be good. All right, 990. Yeah, that works. That works. All right, now, obviously, we just need ES. The thing that's been fucking us up today is ES has not been respecting any single inverse. So hopefully it respects it this time because we have all the reading for it. How much are you trimming at 30 points? If we get 30 points, which, obviously right now the volume is looking like kind of like mid, I'm probably going to do like 5 trims and I just hold 2 for for the rest, for Trump, pretty much. All right. Here, let me kind of what is it? There you go. ES one's higher? I don't think so. We don't have any liquidity above until 123, which is very far away. That's something that we typically see like in the next day. All right. So I'm not too worried about it right now. And honestly, with the way the volume is looking like, it's something chill, not something that we have to worry about. Like, hey, are we gonna get a spike in volume? This. You know what I mean? I kind of prefer this type of trade. Now, obviously, as long as the sellers respect the kind of like the momentum, we should be good. All right. Yeah. So far, everything that we have is the DOL taken out, DOL sweep, MSS. The selling is there. It's not. I'm not gonna say strong selling, but it definitely is active. Right. We have the inverse. Everything lines up. Right. So this setup is something that I do like a lot. Just not enough to full size. I've been getting my orders rejected for the last 2 days. You probably blew up your account. Or you probably, yeah, probably. Only in 5 micros. Wait, are you on Top Step? Because if you're on Top Step, they kind of changed the way you can size. All right. Nah, bro. Like I said, guys, if this shit doesn't play out, then I'm just gonna call it a day. I'm just gonna take my 0 for 2 and then, But like I said, I'm not really too worried about it because remember, guys, we do have a gap here. So worst case, we could just be rejecting off of this. Now, if we inverse it, then it can get a little bit ugly. But in the meantime, just give the market time. Bet. Did they patch IFGs? No, it's just the volume just being. Just give price time. Give price time. This is literally just a pullback into the fair value gap that we created on the 5-minute. Give it time. The volume is chill. All right. And remember, we're also holding for Trump. So we're going to hold this trade regardless for like the next hour and a half if we don't get stopped out, depending on how the buying looks like. All right. But in the meantime, guys, take a chill pill. All right. That sounded corny. Just chill. I don't know why I said that. That feels super corny. Ignore that. Anyways. We'll see. We'll see. It's just ES is kind of worrying me because this thing, ES today has not, look at this, never respected this one, has not been respecting this one. They didn't respect this one either. 3 IFGs that did not work today on ES. So if ES messes us up, we're gonna have some issues here. But let me kind of mark this out right here. There you go. What's your stop? My stop loss is at 22,025. I'm curious on why higher contracts reject. It depends on your account size. So if you're on Top Step, I know for a fact you're on Top Step, right? Or are you on Apex? You're on Top Step? Oh yeah, that's why. Yeah. So if you're Rooster, oh, Top Step. I was about to say Rooster. What the hell? Anyways, yeah, Top Step. When you pass your PA accounts, they limit how many contracts you can get in. It's something stupid. I don't get why. So close to my stop loss? We're nowhere near close to the stop loss. Yeah, we're actually pretty far away from it. Now we just need to make sure that we don't inverse this. If we inverse this gap, then we might have to start worrying. But in the meantime, just a little pullback. Remember that, like I said, our bias, everything that we're reading so far is looking bearish. I want to say it's bearish. Once again, we have the sweep, MSS, we have sellers being active, we have an inverse, and we have liquidity below. We have all of the reasons to believe that the market wants to go down. Now the question is can the volume actually catch up with our bias or our reasoning? Right? That's what we want to see. All right, guys. Stop talking. Okay, bro. I'll shut up. No, I'm just kidding. What's up? Yeah, always. Not very good. Where's your stop? Guys, it's on the chart. It's at 22,025. That is my stop loss. When are you looking to trim? If we get a good sell-off below 980, I will probably take some, but I want to trim most of my contracts off at 963. How do I add TPs on TradeAway? The same way you add a stop loss, you just add it where you want to take profit. Pretty much what a stop loss is you telling the market, hey, if we go at this price, or if we hit this price, I want you to sell X amount of contracts. And then you just do that. Now we just need more selling. Like the volume, like I said, the volume right now is a little bit slow, so this trade could take some time. And I'm also planning to hold till Trump. Hopefully, our stop loss just doesn't get messed with in the next X amount of time that we have until then. If this turns into a we can read Krabby's Discord again. But that's up to you to ask him, bro. Are we in the 5 or 15 minute? We're in the 5. The 5 minute. I'm on the 5 minute time frame. It's lunch hour though. No, not yet. When does he speak? At 1 p.m. So he speaks in about 1 hour and 20 minutes. And then lunch hour starts in 20 minutes from now. So yeah, it does. In my eyes, it does. We have everything. The last setup looked good as well. It's just the momentum wasn't there. This setup, it also looks good, but the volume is kind of dead because obviously we're trading kind of out of the volatile hour. So you know what I mean? Like the setup is there. It's just it could take time. That's what I'm telling you guys. Don't worry about it. You know, we could get pullbacks here and there. It's normal. Especially with the way the market is looking. I mean, look at this right here. It could take some time, right? As long as our stop loss does not get messed with, we should be good. I want to say, and I want to say I'm confident in this setup. I mean, we're inversing the gap. We have selling. We're rejecting off this retracement. We just need more selling to step in. So we're gonna see how that goes. Confident? Well, not like that. It's just the volume is not super. But the setup wise, like all of our confirmations, we have the MSS sweep, everything. Stressful as day, a little bit, bro, a little bit. But that's what trading is, bro. You know what I mean, it won't be a good day every day. Don't need no more bodies. Stressful but building character? Of course, bro. Of course. Yeah. Let me see. Oh, there's okay. Actually, this is the calendar. Wait, let me go ahead and check this out. Okay, so at 1 p.m. we have the president signs exclusive orders, which is the thing in the of the tariffs, pretty much. And at 4 p.m., anything after it doesn't really even matter. Super signal. I need my bonus. All right, all right. Let me see. What's up? I was on my phone. The group chat. But hold up, bro. You got that song stuck in my head, bro. If you know, you know, bro. This PMO, bro. This PMO. This PMO. Let me see, bro. Oh hell nah, bro. Dude, imagine, bro. I'll get so tilted. I'm copy trading, but my dollar open for one account is $50 off. You're probably sizing a lot, and you probably just got with the market being a little bit pushy here, you probably just got a later fill by like a split second. It happens. It happens. It's not the biggest deal though. Slippage, yeah, pretty much what happened. So I don't know if you might have entered at limit instead of market, because that's typically what happens. Now if I lose this, I'm crashing out. But trust me, I'm gonna be on the same boat as you, bro. I'm pretty tilted from today, bro. We lost a trade that we shouldn't have, and this one looks good. And if this one doesn't work out, then I'm just gonna get off the charts, bro. Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. Yeah, of course, of course. But yeah, I just don't want to get too tilted off this. Because like I said, the first trade should have been a winning trade. I just entered when the momentum wasn't even that promising. And I knew it. And I knew it. You know what I mean? So I do have some stuff to review. For sure. But you know what I mean? Like, it happens. It's part of the game. The only thing I'm gonna say is, as long as we hold up this bearish value gap, we're good. Like, there's nothing to worry about. Now, if we do inverse this one up here, then it might get a little bit ugly. And by a little bit, I mean a lot, because that's the one thing holding us from going any higher. Just in case anyone needs this after today, bro. Yeah. Maybe yeah. I'm just gonna be completely honest with you, Rez, bro. Because the one thing holding us from going any higher is this one bearish value gap. If we inverse that, we're cooked. You know what I mean? And yeah, no, we're gonna be cooked. But no, ES is showing weakness. If ES shows the selling to step in, NQ should catch up. But SMT wise, ES is more bearish than NQ is. I want to say. Yeah, look at the massive difference here. So as long as ES holds red, we should be good. If David says we're cooked, we're fucked. Remember, as long as we don't inverse this, we're good. All right. Now, once we start inversing that, then I give you guys all the reasoning to start panicking. It says I'm entering on 15 contract. Well, I don't know. That's probably what you have it set as. Remember, I can't really control that. How many contracts did I take the first trade? I did 7. And I'm also doing 7 on this one. So light and light. It's just the market volume today is kind of questionable. So, I mean, I'm kind of like, whatever. I probably see a Drake candle. Bro, pause, bro. But is that me? Is that supposed to be me? That looks a lot like Aiden Ross, which it is. How do you trim on Trade of It? You just sell less than what you have. So if you like the profits that you have, let's say, for example, you have 7 contracts, anything less than 7 is considered a trim. What's the max daily drawdown on 50K? I'm not sure. I'm not too sure. What's good, Lonto? What's the word? You finished trading? Bet. Bro, I'm in shorts right now. Everything kind of lines up, but the market is pretty slow. So how'd you do today? Bro, I got stopped out earlier, bro. She was so tilting. I'm such a good setup as well, bro. Yeah, in shorts. It's just the moment, like the selling was strong, but the momentum wasn't clear, like the trend. So yeah, no, I'm not too worried about it, but I'm retaking this to get those same targets. It's just that, bro, fucking lunch hour. I love that after trading with you, and managing risk, my emotions have faded. Bro, trust me, they're still gonna be there. It takes time, bro. It takes time. But it's good to know that it's definitely setting down a little bit. But you do. Yes, where you're like, okay. I just don't like how sellers keep trying to step in and they keep wicking back up to the buying side or to a green candle. Bro, imagine we chop till Trump. That could happen, actually. Bro, that would be the riskiest shit ever, bro. NQ. Because we have Trump talking about apparently the biggest tariffs that he's talked about at 1. So what the whole plan behind this was, I wanted to try to get a quick scalp into shorts, trim most of my contracts, and then just hold like 1 or 2 runners for Trump, to make some extra money off it. So we'll see. But bro, if we chop out till Trump, bro, damn, bro. They heard the plan. They did. I need no more bodies. Yeah. Bro, Jazzy, I know, bro. I know. I know, bro. Guys, put a magnet under the bro. It's not that deep. Anyways, guys, okay, we're selling off here. Guys, like I said, if we break below 980, I'll take some trims. Okay. Okay, we're doing good. I don't know if you guys want to trim or not, because I'm seeing a lot of you guys are scared. But yeah. Ah, shit, I did the wrong thing. Oh, bro, I saw that, bro. Bro, oh my, bro. Bro. After I know, bro. Bro. After trims, do we set our stop loss to break even? Like I said, try to trim most off. Depending on where you take profits, obviously don't move your stop loss after a 15-point push. That's why I haven't trimmed anything yet. I obviously want to hold it because I believe we go lower. Um, but yeah, the whole goal here is to kind of de-risk most of the contracts and then just hold risk-free until Trump starts speaking. I don't know if we're gonna hold it until then, but if we do, then that's gonna be our luck. You know what I mean? That's gonna be our luck. Are we trimming? I like I said, I want to see a break below like this. You know what I mean? So yeah, if you guys want to trim around here, not a bad idea. Remember, guys, the whole point of this trade is to get a quick scalp and then just hold your runners. Okay, so if you guys want to manage your risk like this, go ahead. Okay, guys, not a bad idea at all. What's up? Yeah, pretty decent one, but it took time. But bro, in this market, bro, you kind of have to take what you can get. Can we see? Let me see. Yeah. Yeah, I'm typing up a fucking. Oh my god, there we go. Okay, guys, I'm gonna take my trims here. Okay, guys, I took mine here. I'm taking it. So if you guys haven't already, it's a good time to do so. We just hit 970. Yep. Okay, man. I don't need nobody's nobody. Yeah. So now I really want to see 963. I mean, we're right there. We might as well see it. Um, but really good catch. Now it was a little bit slow, but we'll be fine with it. I really want to see 963. Let me delete this. Did you guys trim? Let me know in the chat, guys. Let me know in the chat. Yes, sir, bro. What's up, bro? What's going on? All right. If anything, just type it. Just type it. By the way, guys, we're close to PT1, so if you guys haven't, please do so. Like, this is the smartest thing to do. All right, guys. But yeah, I did most of my contracts off here, so I'm just gonna hold the rest for Trump. Okay, guys. I'm gonna stay on live. By the way, I'm gonna stay on live. So today's gonna be a long live until Trump starts speaking. Hopefully, we don't get stopped out on these runners before Trump starts speaking, because these runners can really pay if we can catch the tariffs in time. All right, guys. The plan here is to trim most contracts with the sell-off and hold runners for the trim street. Okay, but premium. Okay, yeah, guys, look at the sell-off. Look at the sell-off. Beautiful. Beautiful. 40 points. We could probably see more. Now, I really want to hold... Oh, my... Guys, we are selling off. Damn. Bet. Don't need no more bodies. Oh, my... Juice. Yeah, we're getting that selling pressure. You guys aren't in anything? No? All right, bet. Okay, let me see. PT1 hit for 55 points. Okay, bet. Yeah, everyone should be green. Everyone should be green. And if you guys haven't trimmed, please be smart and do so. All right, guys? Anyways, bro. Did you move your stop loss to break even? Yeah, I would suggest you guys do so. I'm in runners, by the way. I'm holding 2. The whole plan here, guys, was to trim 5 with the sell-off at PT1, hold 2 for Trump tariffs, and now we kind of just have to pray that we don't get stopped out before the tariffs. All right, because I really do believe the market can really sell off. But yeah, move your stop loss over to break even if you guys haven't already. All right, guys. By the way, everyone should be back to being green on the day from the first trade, depending on how much you guys obviously sized. Wait, let me get Zaim in here. But yeah, how are we doing, guys? How are you guys doing? How are you guys doing? Are we chilling? Are we happy? How are we doing? How do I trim on Tradeovate? The same way you sell, bro. You just sell less than when you own. All right, we're good. We're good. All right. This setup had me a little bit worried with that pullback, but I told you guys, as long as we don't inverse this one gap, we should be good. All right, it was just a small pullback. Now we just hold these runners risk-free, stop loss at break even. Fingers crossed we can stay in for the next hour for Trump tariffs. All right. So I'm gonna stay on for the next hour until we get stopped out, and I'm getting off. All right. When is Trump speaking? At 1 p.m. EST. Bro, GPU. Bro, come on. Would you hold one runner or close? I'm on an eval. Okay, look, if you're on evals, I don't know if you can afford having a break-even stop loss because obviously that's going to go towards your drawdown. So if you don't feel, if you're happy with what you have now, there's nothing wrong with taking profits, like full profits. Now, for the people that don't have the trailing drawdown and you guys are on a PA account, hold it with me. All right. I'm going to hold these 2 final contracts. It's risk-free, break-even. No matter what happens, we're going to be green on the day. I sold one. Oh, bro, because look, when you're in shorts, you can't click sell. You have to click buy to get out of that short position. If you click sell, it's going to add to it. Keep that in mind, bro. How far will you hold? Till our price targets. The furthest I will hold is until 753. This is going to be my final price target. It's going to be the London low that we created during the overnight session. Now, obviously, we can always target lower, but no thanks. No, thank you. No, real shit. Like, if you let this go red, like, bro, come on now. But yeah, all right. So we're all green today. Krabby caught 100 points. Lanto, you caught how many points? Damn, bro. I'm the only one that hasn't caught 100 points. Now, hopefully this trick can do it. No, on Tuesday, bro. Tuesday, Krabby, you didn't trade Tuesday. Lanto, did you trade Tuesday? Yeah, bro. I caught the pump the second the market opened. I found the setup and I caught 150 points. Yes, sir, bro. It was 100. Yeah. And bro, Monday was a little bit of a headache, and then today was a little bit tilting, but we're back, so we're chilling. You said you're holding till 753. I want to hold till 753. It's either we hold until then or we get stopped out. I break even. There's no in between. All right. So no matter what happens, the trade is going to be green. All right, bro. Bro, let me turn on the fan because it's hot as hell. Hold up. Okay, someone said, "What if Trump goes green? Nothing will happen to us, because we have a stop loss at break even." Let's fucking go, never doubt. I mean, bro, the thing is, the first setup, it should have worked out. Whatever happened in this setup should have been in the first setup, and we shouldn't even be here right now. You know what I mean? We should have been called the day. But you know what I mean? We had the MSS, not the cleanest one, but it was there on the 1 minute. We had the sweep, we had the IFG, we had selling coming in. It's just that the trend wasn't super like stable. Like we were pumping up, we were going down, you know, stuff like that, right? So I guess that's kind of what fucked us up. But setup wise, the setup was not rushed because I know some of you guys were saying that. It's just that price was pretty quick. That's about it. I'm over here dancing like Drewski. Bro, me too. I feel a lot better though, bro. Cause no, like, bro, L's be getting to you, bro. Oh yeah, always. But yeah, no matter what happens with this runner, honestly, I don't really care about it too much. But fingers crossed, the tariffs can make us some extra lunch money. You know what I mean? But what are the chances that in the next hour, in the next 58 minutes, we don't go up like 20 points? Yeah, 25 points. What are the chances? Fully out overall. On the day, I'm down 250. From the first trade, I was on 600. Not bad. Okay, bro, we have to lower those losses, bro. Because if we're taking a trade with light size and you're losing 600, that is not good, bro. You should be losing like max like 400. Why Lanto sound like he can sing? Bro, I don't know. Zaim, join up, bro. Join up. Bro, I read everything, bro. Bro. Wait. Zaim, bro, join up. What's up? No way, for real? Ah, hell yeah, bro. No. Bro, Zaim, hop on, bro. We're all on. I don't know my body. Bro, Kyrie, do you hear like the mood change, bro, after the W? That should be getting to you, bro. The least emotional trader, bro. By the way, YouTube, how are you guys doing? I haven't checked up on the chat on YouTube in a while. How are you guys doing, guys? Just now in green from the first trade this morning, sized up by one contract, looking good. Beautiful, bro. That's what I like to hear, man. That's what I like to hear. Let me see. Yo, Blastoise, I got 200k accounts. I heard you say a couple times that it's better than a 50k. No. 50k accounts, in my opinion, are the best ones. On Top Step, 150ks are the best ones. On Apex, I personally believe that 50ks are the best one. Dude, never mind. We might get something out of break even. If it happens, it happens, bro. You know what I mean? Shit happens. Did we move our... Yeah, we did, bro. We did. Wait, did I put that I moved my stop loss to break even in the alert? Oh, shit. I forgot to include it. Nah, that'll be fine. Bro, no, bro. Bro, ask Krabby. No, ask everyone. Bro, I do not stop. Bro, today I nearly, like... I almost passed out because I was talking so much. Like, I literally ran out of breath. Hey, David, how long should we hold our last runner all the way till Trump? Well, it's either we hold it till Trump speaks or we got stopped out of break even, which we're kind of close to our stop loss. So if that happens, then I'm just getting off and I'm just going to call it a day with the small green that we get. All right. By the way, guys, if you guys are green and you guys are not in the trade, you guys already know the deal. Posting the win channel, you know what I mean? So I can work off that. All right, guys. Let me repeat the win. Bro, no one has posted it, bro. Crazy work. Anyways. Literally after I closed my position, price went down another 20 points. Where did you close your position? I feel like we're gonna go to 22,078. Have we not taken that out already? Oh, we haven't. The thing is, I'm pretty confident to say that tariffs is more than likely gonna be bearish. It's been bearish every single time. Tariffs is usually a bad thing. So we'll see. Would you consider adding? No, not happening. Definitely not. Adding to a news like that is kind of like going all in on roulette. You know what I mean? Like it's not it. If anything, you should be selling instead of adding. What? I'm chilling, bro. I'm chilling. Talk to me. What questions do you have, bro? What questions do you have? Because I know when I hear that giggle, bro, you have something in mind, bro. What is it? What is it? Bro. Bro. I don't know. Someone said what's a shorting? Bro. Stop that break even. I'm still in. My stop is like 5 points away. Look, if I get stopped out of break even, honestly, I'm gonna be a little bit green on the day, so I'll take it. Better than red. You know what I mean? But today, not the best day. But it's good that we caught some at least something in the market. You know what I mean? But yeah. Wait, David, if I give you my login details, bro, no. Bro. Someone said, okay, David, I'm a little late. Is now a good time to enter? Bro, you're a little late. You're really late, bro. The trade is done. By the way, guys, I got stopped out, guys. I am out of the trade, guys. So it looks like we're not going to hold for tariffs. But honestly, I'm fine with it. I'm going to take my little green for the day. Avoid the L. We're done. The trade is done, bro. Like, what do you mean enter now? The trade is done. Like, what the fuck? Nah, all jokes aside. Yeah, no, you are really late. You're really, really late. But yeah, But honestly, guys, since I'm not gonna be trading anymore, I'm not trading tariffs. I'm not gonna trade before or after tariffs. Honestly, I'm kind of gonna call it a day. How much are you up? 180. 180. Nothing crazy. You know what I mean? I was down 400. And I trimmed most what, like 30, 35-ish points. So yeah. Nobody. Bro, right now, bro, Krabby, tell Lonzo, bro, the chat right now is chill. Like, this is like on the chill day. This is chill. Like, this is like, it can't get any more chill than this. Yeah, bro. Literally today, I had to ban some guy because he was being weird as hell, bro, in the chat. Making weird ass jokes. Bro, oh my. Anyways, bro. When we are not eating, bro, we're eating all right. We're eating all right today. You know what I mean? We're not gonna be, you know, bro. I don't know, bro. I don't know. Anyways, guys, bro, I'm getting off. I'm getting off, bro. I'm getting off. I'm getting off. I'm getting off, bro. I am bro. Bro, I'm getting off, bro. I'm getting off. Fuck this shit, bro. All right, guys, I'm off. I'm off. I'll see you guys, bro. Bro, Lato, this is what a normal day in this live trading chat looks like, bro. Bro, nah, I'm getting off, guys. Guys, get off the market. It is horrible right now. We caught something in the market to the point where either break even or green. So, guys, get off. All right. I'll see you guys tomorrow, bro. Enjoy your Thursday. Peace out, guys. Peace out, Lonzo. Peace out, Grabby. Peace. And YouTube, guys. Guys, if you guys do want to join the community and have fun with us and catch these trades live with us without a delay, with real-time alerts, real-time live trading without the 2-minute delay on YouTube, guys, click the first link in the description. Use code 60 in the promo code for 60% off any premium upgrade, and I'll see you guys in there. And by the way, guys, the 80% off Apex promo code is ending in 6 days. If you guys don't know about it, Apex has an 80% off code going on right now for any funded account. 80% off any funded account with code Blastoise. It is on the code on the screen, BLASTOISE, code Blastoise for 80% off any funded account. All right, guys. But yeah, hopefully you guys were able to make some money with me today. I made about $1,800 today. I'll take it. Nothing crazy, but it's still $1,000. You know what I mean? But yeah, anyways, I'll see you guys tomorrow in the live trading. All right, guys. I'll be live tomorrow at 9:45 a.m. EST. All right. Peace out, guys. Take it easy. Peace.